Hi, my name is Ken with SledTrack.com, and today we're going to do a quick review on the new Camso Ice Arrowhead 130, part number 9437H, H is for high performance, in the 129 by 15 dimension, okay? So this is a brand new track offering from Camso. It's a 2-ply, 2.86 pitch, 129 by 15. It weighs approximately 42.5 pounds, and it comes pre-studded from Camso with 302 studs. Now, 75% of these studs are going forward direction and 25% are going in a rearward direction. The lug height is 1.3 inches, so it's an optimum lug height. It is studded, so make sure that you have proper tunnel clearance and proper tunnel protection if necessary, okay? The weight of this track is approximately 42.5 pounds. It is directional track. There is an arrow on to indicate which way it should be going when it's on your sled. This is going to be a great track. It's a 15-degree attack angle. And it's unique. The track angle, these angles are unique to this particular Ice Arrowhead 130 family of tracks. So for more questions, visit the website, SledTrack.com. If you have questions on availability, give us a call on the phone number there, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you.